Hello everyone! Today we are going to unboxing Zombicide, the Green Horde. I know, has been released 6 years ago, but you know, the dice never die. Hello again! Today here with me, Zombicide, the Green Horde. The setting of this game is a typical fantasy, where wizard, barbarian, elf and dwarf, they try to survive an horde of zombie. Orc zombie. I always loved board game with miniature, and I always had a soft spot for zombie and undead creature in general. This game is the perfect combination for me. Zombies and a lot of miniatures. The packaging feels luxurious and is quite heavy, very heavy. 2 kilos and 700 grams. It's time now to unbox this big box. This is the front of the box. It's clearly fantasy setting and it's possible to see the main characters or survivors, like the game called them. And this is the back of the box. The game can be played from 1 to 6 players, so playing solo is possible. According to the box, one game lasts about 1 hour. And here in the center are displayed all the miniatures included in the game. There are 7 miniatures for each type, excluding this guy, the necromancer and the abomination. And we have 1 miniature for each survivor, plus the trebuchet. So in total the game gives 72 miniatures, which it is a lot. Other games normally they give less miniature. For those like me are not familiar with this game, the game is a cooperative game, which means that all the players team up together for fighting the common enemy, the green zombie. Okay, let's open it. Skip here. Oh, inside we have the manual, quite big actually. There are 57 pages, quite good quality. Make use of the second camera here. The manual seems quite extensive with several pictures and details. It looks quite nice. This guy is awesome. And here the first pages contain a description of all the miniatures and tokens included in the box. The included manual is in only 1 language. This is in English. However, to my knowledge, there are multiple language editions available. The manual includes rules and cast as reported on the front page. For example, here Mission 10, which probably featured this big bad zombie abomination. The manual is well made and seems very easy to follow. Many pictures, charts, more charts, and more pictures. Very good. And voila, the manual. There are some additional illustrations on the side of the box. Necromancer, abomination, the barbarian, Rolf, the elf, the Arabic guy, zombie, fatty, walker, runner, and here again the character, Megan bearing Johannes. Okay, wow, and inside is a box in the box. Someone call it pizza box, quite nice. We will look into later. Let's see what else inside. Here there is the board and the tile. As I told you, the box is new. I opened it because I really wanted to see the content, but still inside the plastic, so we can open it together. Okay, let's look this board first. Oh. Okay, here tile of the game. Nice, two side. We'll open later. Other tile. Two side. This one look like a pond of water. This is look like a barrier. And here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. They are two sides. Quite nice, good quality. Many detail, divided in section. Here there is a green edge. This one look like sewer. Here there is a well, shield. Look like a pond. Yes, something a little bit scary. And a corpse here also in the water. Quite nice. All very detailed. You can use this to assemble the battlefield. Something like that. There are two settings, one city, I would say, and one countryside, where there are the green edge. So two possible settings. These are the tile. Here look like some wall. Here some barrier. And to the other side like pond. This one square tile, I don't know, dirt. And on the back, I don't know, fire maybe. This one, same, fire and dirt. And this tile, dirt. Ah, and here is different, a kind of teleport maybe, not sure. Magic effect. Here there is a crown, many bells. This one, I don't know what is it. Zombie or necromancer probably. Here the same. And let's go here. Here probably there are all the miniatures. The part that I prefer. Okay, to open from this side. Let's open this. Ta-da! Wow. Okay. A lot. Like expected. They look nice, very high detailed miniature. Here we have the heroes. Here some of the zombie, green zombie. Here there is the necromancer, and here what they call the abomination, the big zombie. And there is even a ballista. Wow, it would be fun to paint it. Okay, so here what we have, hero cards, soon we will open. Other cards, equipment cards. We have some marker, colorful, each color for different character. More standing, and 6 dice. Okay, this is the player dashboard, which is quite nice. It's divided in several sections. Here you put the character, I suppose. Here you track, I don't know, how many zombies you kill or maybe the life point, not sure, I need to check. Here maybe you put your right hand equipment, left hand equipment, and additional stuff, I suppose. Quite nice, robust. They give 1 for each player, so they are, how many? 6. Let's look this. This is the abomination. This one is the shaman or the necromancer. And here the character. This looks like an elf. Here we have an hero in Arabic clothes. Quite nice. Like all the character apparently. This one looks like a barbarian, classic warrior fighter. This is a dwarf. Even this one is ultra detailed. 2 weapons, 1 for each hand. Here look like he has boobs, but no, they are hairs. Another character, this is maybe a fighting mage, it's a lady character. This one is the specialist with the crossbow, range weapon. Quite nice. Super detailed. Yeah. And then there are the zombie. Okay, let's open. Here there are 2 layers. This is the first layer, and here the second layer. There are 3, 6, 7 gang of zombies. They are all the same. Every line, however, in every line, all the zombies are different. This is the fatty zombie. Here a little bit more muscular. There are even a couple of goblins. Actually, you can recognize by the hair. One, 2. So all these, which are 3, 6, 9, they are all different. So different pose. Now look very badass. This one more muscular. For who loves miniature, this game is perfect. Because as I said, you can enjoy for a long time. You enjoy doing you play, and then you enjoy doing you painting the miniature. It can be a good choice for many of you. It was a good choice for me. I'm very happy. I never played, as I said. I will learn to play, I will do a video for it. But I'm already happy just for the number of miniatures that I got it. And very good quality miniature. One more. Let's have a look to the big one. They are similar, but not exactly the same. Different shoulder patch here. The position of the hand is similar, but the equipment is different. Different sculpture. Okay, very nice. Let's have a look to the card here. Okay, open it. There. Oh, okay, I made it. Okay, let's have a look. This is a sim. I see every card has a description of the character, has some skills, whatever. We will see how it works. And behind the picture of the character. Maybe I will paint exactly like this picture. Verin, dwarf, Johannes, the crossbowman, Megan, maybe a mage fighter, Rolf, the barbarian, and Sally, maybe the elf. I understand by the pointy here. Nice. And as I said, this is the dashboard, probably will be like this. Here, maybe life point, and here to mark the skill, I guess. Okay, let's keep it here. Let's open this one. They look like equipment card. They look a lot. Okay. Sword, many kind of sword, scrolls, and I don't know, maybe activation card for orc, walker, food, maybe to recover HP, a knife, a scroll, potions, equivalent arrows, crossbow, more food, so and then other kind of card which I don't know what is it. They look all gorgeous. I think we cover everything. This is all the content of the box. The board, the tile, the miniature, everything. Remember to like the video, and if you want to see more video like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ciao.